Step 9.
This video is part of a series on how to build the 6-inch smooth operator quadcopter.
So we're going to install our camera now, and to do that we have to first back this screw off a little because the camera simply won't fit in there, it's too tight. So just loosen it up a little bit. And we've got these 2mm M2 screws and washers that we're going to be using, and I'm just going to get a washer on them now because I want to save time. Okay. Now that I got that, I'm going to plug the camera in first because I think that's going to make my life a little bit easier. I think. Pins are to the top. You know what, this is a little snug here. Okay, I think it's going to be, there we go. That's in. And now we're going to just separate this. Might need a little pressure there. Just slide that in. There we go. And figure out which of these holes we're going to mount it on. And I want to have it a little bit behind for protection, like that. Okay, that looks good. And simply take these screws, and again, this came with the kit. Line it up and screw it in. I like to do one then the other and then put them in good. You can always adjust the camera position more later. Don't have to be crazy tight right now. Just get it basically secured in place. That's good. There you go. See, it's all plugged in, ready to go. And there's our FPV camera. There's our FPV camera ready to rock and roll. I'll just put that up to about a 30-degree angle. Come back with my tools here and tighten this back down. So this is just enough that's going to play a little bit. Okay. Perfect. Well, that's all there is to step 9. Next, we have step 10. We're going to install the flight controller. And I'm going to skip a lot of the soldering up because, well, this is not installing a flight controller lesson, and you may not be using the same one as I am. So I'll see you in the next video. Please like, subscribe, ring the bell, and I'll see you in a minute.
Thanks for watching till the end of this video. This video is part of a series on how to build the 6-inch smooth operator quadcopter. I hope you found it valuable. If you did, please consider being one of my Patreon subscribers. I'm Joel LikeCatcher, and I really appreciate you spending your time with me. Remember to click that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you'll know when my next video goes up.